Welcome back. If you are thinking of buying an LG 55 inches OLED TV, you are in for something special. OLED TVs are known for delivering some of the deepest blacks, incredible contrast, vibrant colors, and premium picture quality available today. This video will show you everything you need to know, from unboxing and setup to the stunning OLED display quality that makes this TV one of the best in the market. Let's get started. The TV arrives in a stubby and well-packaged carton designed to protect every part of the display during transportation. The packaging is neat, secure, and gives that confidence that your investment is well protected. Opening the box, we are greeted by a thick protective film that keeps the TV firmly in place and prevents movement while in transit. Next, we have the metallic wall mount hanger included in the package, built with a solid finish for secured installation if you decide to mount the TV. Now it is time for the main attraction, the LG 55-inch OLED TV itself. As we carefully lift it out, the first thing you will notice is just how incredibly slim this TV is. Its ultra-thin design gives it a premium look that instantly stands out. At the back of the TV, you immediately see the bold LG OLED branding, reminding you that this TV is powered by one of the best display technologies available today. You will also find all essential ports you will need, including the HDMI port for gaming console and streaming devices, USB ports for media playback, an internal port for wired internet, an optical audio output for external speakers. Everything is conveniently arranged for your quick access. With the TV in place, it's time to power it on. The setup wizard starts immediately. First, choose your preferred language. Next, your country, region, and time zone to ensure all features and services work correctly. For setup, we'll be using the Magic Remote. The TV performs a user environmental analysis. Since we don't have any external device or cables connected, we choose the None option for now. Next, select your preferred installation type depending on whether the TV is wall mounted or placed on a stand. After confirming the settings, the installation completes, and we are ready to explore everything LG OLED TV has to offer. Welcome to the beautiful LG home screen, where you can access your favorite streaming apps, settings, recommendation, and connected device from one clean and responsive interface. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick color test. This is where the OLED truly shines. Unlike traditional LED TVs, every single pixel on an OLED display produces its own light. That means when black is displayed, those pixels turn completely off, creating perfect blacks, incredible contrast, richer colors, and amazing detail in both dark and bright scenes. The result is a breathtaking view experience, whether you are watching movies, gaming, or enjoying HDR content. And that is our complete unboxing and setup of the LG 55-inch OLED TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more TV unboxing and setup guys. Thank you.